Hey everyone, welcome back. So some of you were asking are there any fresher opportunities in Scalar or all the opportunities are for the experienced folks? So instead of telling, let me show you how many opportunities are there for fresher. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard. So we are at the dashboard, and if I scroll down, you can see the career hub option here. So let's click on this. Now the dashboard is loaded. So as you can see, there are different types of jobs available, but most of these jobs are for like 3 to 6 years experience or 5 to 7 years experience. There is one job of 0 to 2 years of experience. So let's do one thing. Let's filter this out. So let's filter this with 0 to 1, like for fresher. The range is between 0 to 1, right? So let's see. So as you can see, we are having around 6 options available here. So AI engineering intern, location is Bangalore. 45 days ago it is posted. Experience required is 0 to 2 years, right? Similarly for data scientist intern, Hyderabad, 0 to 1 years. Stipend is also mentioned, that is 10,000 per month. AI engineer 2.4 to 3.0 lakh, 0 to 1 year. Then data scientist intern, location Bangalore, 0 years of experience, 10,000 per month. AIML intern, 0 to 0 years of experience, 10,000 per month. And then there is a product intern, which is in Bangalore, and they need 0 to 6 month or 2 years experience. Again, the salary is around 25,000 per month. So there are quite options available for you, but still these options are less. So by seeing this dashboard, what I can figure out is this job was posted around 45 days ago, then 38 days ago, then 17, 8, 2, and this is posted today, right? So in last 1 week, we have 2 job posting, or 3 you can say if you are considering this 8 as well. So we can say that in a week there is 2 postings, which is very less. And one more thing is after 45 days our jobs are not visible, so there are chances that there were different jobs, but those were removed, right? So this is the reality, right? What you can see. Apart from this, there is if you are doing great, right, then you get the jobs through mails as well. So usually the mails are, the count is very low, so it's like not like you get a lot of mails, right? 2 or 3 mails in 1 or 2 months, right? Apart from this, during your program, Scalar also offer internship. So while you are doing your course, you also get a chance to work as an intern to gain some experience. So if I can show, let me try that. So if I can write Scalar intern, I guess this one. Okay, so as you can see, here is the exciting opportunity from Scalar Academy. Internship duration is 3 months plus extendable. This means that they can extend your internship, and you can also get a PPO, a full-time opportunity working with Scalar, right? If your performance were really good. Internship is kind of fully remote, so you do not need to go anywhere. You can do your internship right from your home. Then stipend is 10k per month plus variable, which is less, but it's okay. If you are learning and you do not have any experience, you are getting still 10,000 per month. That is quite okay. And after you finish your course, then you can apply for, let's say, 6 month experience rules or 1 year experience rules. So this will give you a good learning curve or help you implement whatever you learn during your course, right? Apart from this, there is one more thing. Scalar Academy, the role is SME intern data science part-time role. So okay, so you do not have to work full-time. That is good. fresher 3 month plus extendable, and the same things. So this is all about the scalar internship which they offer. So I believe you get an idea how many job openings are there for freshers. So in a month you get around not this one, two, three, four. So in a month you get around four openings as average you can take. So if somebody comes to you, we get 10 opening or 20 opening, then you know he's telling you the wrong information, right? So this is about it. And if you have any other question regarding scalar, regarding AI engineering, data science, right? So you can put that question in the comment of this video. I will look at that comment and give you a video on that. And if you want to connect with me, then you can book a talk meet session with me, so we can connect 101, and I will also add you to my WhatsApp so we can chat later as well, right? Every time you do not have to pay to connect with me. Okay, so guys, bye bye, and you can consider subscribing this channel if you do not want to miss out on any updates. And so this is all about it. Bye bye.